Plant FAQs, Amur Maackia. Amur Maackia, a low-maintenance beauty for your landscape. Hi, I'm Vu, and I'm here to answer your questions about the Amur Maackia, a stunning yet underappreciated tree. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting your landscaping journey, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to decide if the Amur Maackia is the perfect fit for your yard. What is an Amur Maackia? The Amur Maackia, Maackia amurensis, is a deciduous tree belonging to the Fabaceae family, the same family as peas and beans. Native to northeastern China, Korea, and the Amur River region, hence the name. It's known for its attractive foliage and tolerance for harsh conditions. How big does an Amur Maackia grow? In its native habitat, the Amur Maackia can reach a majestic 15 meters, 49 feet, in height. However, in North American landscapes, it typically reaches a more manageable 15 feet, 4.6 meters. This makes it a great choice for smaller yards where space is a concern. What does the Amur Maackia look like? The Amur Maackia boasts beautiful, compound leaves with 7 to 13 glossy, dark green leaflets. These leaves add a touch of elegance and texture to any landscape. In spring, the tree produces inconspicuous white or cream-colored flowers arranged in upright clusters. While not as showy as some flowering trees, the unfolding silvery buds in spring offer a unique charm. Fall doesn't bring a blaze of color, but the leaves usually drop without much fanfare. How does the Amur Maackia compare to other trees? Here's a quick comparison of the Amur Maackia to two other popular landscape trees. Amur Maackia versus honey locust. Both trees are hardy and tolerate difficult conditions. However, the honey locust grows much larger and can have troublesome thorns. The Amur Maackia offers a more refined look and is thornless. Amur Maackia versus crepe myrtle. Crepe myrtles are known for their vibrant summer blooms. However, they require more maintenance and are less cold-hardy than the Amur Maackia. If you prioritize low maintenance and cold tolerance, the Amur Maackia is the better choice. Is the Amur Maackia easy to care for? Absolutely. The Amur Maackia is a dream for busy gardeners. It thrives in full sun and tolerates a wide range of soil types, including dry, cold, and heavy clay soils. Once established, it requires minimal watering and is generally pest and disease-resistant. How do I plant and care for an Amur Maackia? Planting your Amur Maackia is straightforward. Choose a location with full sun and well-drained soil. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and amend the soil with compost if needed. Water the tree deeply after planting and regularly during the first growing season. Once established, watering needs are minimal. Prune for shape in late winter if desired, but excessive pruning isn't necessary. Where can I buy an Amur Maackia? Amur Maackia trees might not be readily available at your local big box garden center. However, many online nurseries and specialty tree farms offer them. Look for reputable sellers that provide healthy, well-established trees. What are the benefits of planting an Amur Maackia? Here are some key benefits of planting an Amur Maackia. Low maintenance. This tree thrives with minimal care, making it perfect for busy homeowners. Adaptability. It tolerates a wide range of soil conditions and harsh weather, including cold winters and dry summers. Beauty. The Amur Maackia offers attractive foliage and a unique spring bud display. Wildlife. The flowers attract pollinators like bees, while the leaves provide food for some butterfly larvae. Are there any drawbacks to planting an Amur Maackia? There are very few drawbacks to consider. The Amur Maackia doesn't offer fall foliage color, and the flowers are relatively inconspicuous. However, these are minor points compared to its many benefits. With its low-maintenance nature, beautiful foliage, and adaptability, the Amur Maackia is a fantastic choice for a variety of landscapes. So, if you're looking for a hassle-free tree that adds beauty and wildlife value to your yard, consider planting an Amur Maackia.